Hi guys, Simon here. In today's video I'm showing you how to delete Safari from your iPhone. When you want to delete Safari from your iPhone and you hold it, then it says remove app. But when you click on remove app, it says remove from home screen and it will still keep the app in your app library. So when we remove it from the home screen, it is still in your phone. So it's still in your app library. I can still open it. And we don't want that. So what you're gonna do is you go to settings and then we see screen time. We tap on it and we tap content and privacy restrictions. Make sure it is turned on. You tap allowed apps and then we see all the apps that belong to Apple. And you see Safari the second and we disable it, so we turn it off. And now when we go to our home screen, it was already removed from my home screen but not from my app library. And now when I search Safari, it is deleted from my iPhone. So when we open settings again and you want to download it, we go to screen time. You just take the same steps. You go to allowed apps and then we turn it on again. And when you search for Safari now, it's still here. So now you see here that it is downloaded as a new app and you can put it right back. That was it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know and see you next time.